What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. This simple Forex strategy, trading strategy works on every pair. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly videos like this, but we also post weekly stock videos or crypto videos, as well as most importantly, we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 EST on this very same channel. So over here, we'll show you not only how to make active income, but as well as passive income when it comes to these charts, meaning how to make money on the front end, as well as the back end. So both long-term investing, as well as day trading over here. So you already read the title, man. First things first, I gotta give a special shout out to members and students. Before that, I gotta give a special shout out to those that be tuning into the London session lives. Now, we did not go live today due to technical difficulties, but we went live yesterday, Thursday morning. And if y'all was in live Thursday morning, London session 3 on EST on the 20th, not only did we enter this trade, but we broke this setup down live as well. So if you was in that live stream with us, you would have been able to eat with us with the members and students also. Again, you can see here, this was a beautiful 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio setup, meaning whatever we risk, we made 3 times that amount. So if I risked $100, I would have made $300. If I risked $1,000, I would have made $3,000 off this one trade alone. And of course, like I said, make sure the members ate with me as well. You can see the same date, the 20th, GPUSD, see the reactions, all TPs got hit. We click here, takes us to the same date. See what enters at 3:31 a.m. London session. See the entry, SL, the TPs getting hit. We went live during the news that day as well. All that good stuff. So this video, we're going to be breaking down exactly why I took this setup and how you can catch a similar setup just like this one. So the first thing I always tell the members and students you need to do before entering any trade is you want to identify the trend. And you don't just want to identify the trend on any time frame. I always recommend to identify the trend on the bigger time frames. Now, before I lose some of y'all, we're not trading on the bigger time frames. We're simply just identifying the trend on the bigger time frames. Now, why is that? Because the bigger time frames tell you the direction price has not only been going, but the overall direction price is heading. The smaller time frames only explain what price is doing at that exact moment. Both are important, but both are used to determine different things. Okay, make sure to remember that. So looking at GBP/USD, we can see here that we had some bearish momentum. Then we had this reversal, a little bit of consolidation. We broke out of that consolidation, giving us a higher high. Then we had a couple days of price retracing, retesting, but we are still bullish. So since we understand that we're still bullish at an uptrend, we're only going to look for buys. Again, you only want to look for buys when we're in an uptrend. You only want to look for sells when we're in a downtrend. It's very, very, very important to always go with the flow of price. All right, y'all. So now that we understand that we're in an uptrend and we're looking for buys, this is when we want to mark off our key price levels to see exactly where we're going to enter and exit at. Boom. Now that we got our key price levels marked off, now is when we go into the smaller time frame to see how price is reacting to these levels. Now that we're on the smaller time frame, this is when we really want to be patient and wait for these confirmations. So again, we're in an uptrend, we're looking for buys, but on top of that, you not only want to only go for buys in the uptrend, you only want to go for buys when price can break and hold the level as support. So we're going to wait to see if price can hold this level as So we're going to wait to see if price can hold this level as support. That's what we're looking for right here, right? You're going to enter buys off support levels. You're going to enter sells off resistance levels. All right. So now this is when we hit the play button and we just patiently wait to see how price reacts to these levels. Boom. So again, this is why we wait to see if price can not just break it, but hold as support. Look at how price rejected this level twice as soon as it touched it, which is exactly what happened here, and which is exactly why we trade off of these levels. So after price broke this level, we saw this retest. So after this retest took place, this is when we pulled the trigger and took that setup, right? So again, it ranged for a little bit until after the news popped off, right? We had news at 8:30. This was the 8:30 news candlestick. So after the news, we can see about an hour and a half later, that's when the volume kicked in at 10 o'clock. And you can see huge push upside. Again, look how price reacted to this level before it broke through it, right? This is exactly why we trade on and off these levels. And it's that simple, y'all. Find the floor price, go with the floor price, and let price do all the work for y'all. And again, not only did we catch this huge move, but when we go into the daily time frame, remember what some of it was in the uptrend, we caught that entire higher high for the day, as well as the entire daily candlestick for the day. So not only does this accurately play out with these levels, but you're able to catch the actual move and the full move for the day using this simple strategy, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, y'all, and join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.